Okay, so we're filming. We're going through the Harry Potter tunnel.
Is GoPro sponsored?
No. So there we have the light to the dark. Do you think this is gonna auto adjust?
Yes.
The brightness. Do you like the echo?
Yes.
And what else do you like about our walks? Okay, let's see if the camera auto adjusts. Nice. Do you like walking the dog? Up Paramount Kid?
Yes.
What else do you like about walks? Walks are just awesome. What do you think, puppy? Let's ask the puppy. Hey, puppy, what do you think about walks? He's preoccupied right now. And action. You're now on the GoPro. Now run. Run, run, run.
Herget, come get me. Come get me.
Okay, we're now recording. So now we can go like this. And look, we can see each other. We're vlogging.
Dad, come get me.
Say hello. Hello, GoPro.
Come get me.
Here we are at
Get
the
me.
salt flats. What do you think of the salt flats?
I don't know. Dad, come
I think
get
they're
me.
pretty cool.
Dad. Dad,
Yes.
come get me.
You want me to chase you?
Yeah, tag me.
Okay, I'll chase you with the GoPro.
We're playing tag.
Oh! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I got
I'm
you.
gonna chase you.
I think we're still recording.
No, I'm gonna tag you.
Do you like the big open skies?
I'm gonna come tag you.
Heather, it's home base. I'm safe.
Tag you.
I'm safe.
Tag. Tag.
No, whoever has the GoPro stick is safe. Still recording. Look, there's some lady.
My ellipsis.
Some girl.
Can you see yourself in the front camera still?
It's okay.
What's going on? Did you get salt in your eyes? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, film yourself.
Hi. How do you turn this around? I don't know. Oh, okay. Woo. Cool. I gotta run away from my dad. It's my GoPro now. I think it's starting to rain. Dad! Daddy! I stole your GoPro. Dad, I stole your GoPro. You gotta get me if you want it. You got me. What's still my GoPro?
There we go. Well, that was my silly daughter. She's so silly. She's chasing me.
This is why we don't lick the.
Hey, where's Logan? Oh, there he is.
I'm gonna get it.
So what's your Salt Lake Flats Experience 1.0 like.
Oh, pretty good.
2 good licks.
Stop!
I'm gonna get you.
I'm gonna have to edit you out. Okay, that's all for now. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Yeah, it's hard to believe that that video is nearly 4 years old. The GoPro, huh? The GoPro Hero10. Now we're on the, let's see, 10, 13. Is it the 14 or the 17? Anyway, GoPro is nice. That GoPro was great, but it had one huge flaw. It was an action camera that overheated. And if you have an action camera that overheats, well, that doesn't really do you much good, does it? No, it does not. Ah, there we go. Now I have my hands free to talk. So, a lot has happened with cameras and technology since 2022. I just unboxed this. Well, not officially. I don't know if I need another one. And this is the Ultra. I already have this one right here. I have these two action cameras. This one will be, is this 3 or 4 years old? Anyway, this one I've had for a while. I actually found the original box, if you can believe it, the Insta360 ONE RS. I've mispronounced this company name so many times. So I returned the GoPro Hero10 and I kept my Insta360 ONE RS because I like the functionality. I use it as my dash cam. It's a really, really expensive dash cam, and the thing I like about it is I have the snap mount. I usually put this on a Frisbee. It's this really high-powered magnet. Watch this. It's awesome. The awesome thing about this camera is it quickly disassembles. So right there, take off the battery, and then right here, boom. So if I want to, I can just buy this single module and then I'm good to go. Or I can buy this one, or I can buy new batteries. I really like that it's a fancy Lego set. If you want the screen facing away from you because you're filming someone else, or if you want to switch it up and you want to do it's like self-vlogging like that, you can do whatever you want. And then you just connect the camera right back and you're good to go. It turns on really quickly. It does everything a GoPro does, but this one is not meant for underwater filming, and that's why I bought this Insta360, the GO 3. I've had this one for about 1.5 years. This replaced my Insta360 GO 2, which I really, really liked, but that had issues. This one overheats in direct sunlight for too long, but underwater it was great. I filmed some amazing footage in Hawaii with this camera. If you want to watch that, there's a link popping up right about now. But this one's great. Years later, great. I recommend Insta360 over GoPro. I like the versatility. I like the lens. The lens that they used in this one, it's a Leica lens. I don't know if I'm filming on the iPhone 17 right now. I don't know if it does it justice, but it's amazing. And as far as this tiny hands-free 4K camera, Insta360 GO Ultra, if you want me to review that, comment down below. But I had some notes on the GoPro Hero 10, so I only released 2 videos with it on June 1st, 2022. That link's popping up now. It's also in the description below. And November 11th, 2022, which is kind of strange. I often get way behind. I was just talking to a friend of mine and told him that I have roughly 150 projects in backdate, and that's why I'm finishing this one. So the GoPro Hero 10, I unboxed on May 30th, 2022. I don't even know where the unboxing video is. It was great. SanDisk memory card, GoPro case, there's a shorty tripod, there's a head strap, there's a quick dip. I mean, they have all these different features and accessories, and that's what's cool. And from that, this one came about. So had it not been for GoPro, I don't think Insta360 would have been as awesome as they still are today. Anyway, it's just my preference. I think every film person, every photographer, they prefer Canon, or they prefer Nikon, or they prefer Sony, right? And I prefer Insta360. They've been good for me. This one I got for $60 as a nice upgrade because the first one was a lemon and so many problems. I also like how this one has this quick little USB-C port for connecting accessories. So that's really nice. Nice touchscreen, you know, it's just great stuff. The fact that my daughter and I were vlogging with the GoPro Hero10 and we were at sunset, so not really in direct sun anymore. It was a cool night. It was probably 85 degrees. And after 9 minutes, the camera shut off because it overheated. And I'm like, okay, well, maybe it was used too. No, it was like off, nice and cool. And right from that first section, then it just overheated just like that. It was really disappointing. And that's why I sent it back. Now they do have some nice features. I'm sure they're great, but these are my, whoops, that's just the snap mount. These are my go-to action cameras. Now this one, when I pop out, now this part's waterproof. It does not float. And when I was swimming around in Hawaii, I was, you know, going like that and holding it, and I really shouldn't have done that. But I have a workaround for that, and that video is coming out soon. Well, thank you so much for watching. Kind of a family vlog there in the beginning, and I imagine I might review another GoPro. They get these really cool kits if you go to Costco or Sam's Club, and they have all these accessories and extra battery and lots of cool stuff that Costco just throws in. But the portability of this thing, and you can mount it on your hat, and it just mounts right there. I mean, you barely even see it. GoPro's too heavy, and both of these have their perks, right? This is great for dash cam, not so much. It'll overheat. This one, I mean, it takes a lot of abuse. It's been very durable. I've dropped this so many times, water skiing, and the 4K capabilities with that Leica lens. Sorry GoPro, you're still behind the times, and this is almost 4 years old. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you clicking on by. I'll have more content soon. If there's anything you disagree with and you're a diehard GoPro, pithy comments, type those down below. And if you're watching this today, which is, what is today? Is today the 19th already? Or is it the 20th? Oh my gosh, it's the 20th. I need to get some Christmas decorations up, and I need to finish the lights. I have cleaning to do. I have some errands to run, you know, stuff like that. Yeah, that's it. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and yes, I am hoping for a white Christmas this year. Goodbye.